Forget about the cutlery, just use the
The spices there, the spice is incredible.
I love the soy.
You can't really get food sources of vitamin D. It really is fortified
So that was
foods,
a
dairy.
Oh wow. How's it going?
Trying to work out the airflow.
And you're saying it's holding it well, but I'm not really getting that. Chefs, that's time. Stop what you're doing. So we've tried all 8 dishes.
Yep, some really impressive dishes today. Time to go away, discuss, deliberate.
Think about who our winner is.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's a tough one.
It's tough, isn't it? Some great dishes today. What were your highlights?
I think there was something special in each round. I really enjoyed our first round with incorporating different elements and playing with the onions 3 ways. That was
Georgia's dish. Yeah, Georgia's great. I really like Georgia's dish. I agree. The way she used the onion in 3 different ways was so impressive. I loved that.
Maximizing what she had.
Yeah, and different textures, bringing different textures into the dish.
Yeah.
It was great.
I liked Archie's tomato andouille, vegan andouille, pesto, pistachio pesto. Smooth, creamy, has a bit of texture in there from the pistachio.
Yeah.
I wish I'd like to see a little bit more from that dish.
Yeah, but I felt like you didn't miss out on that nice creamy element that you sometimes do miss from a vegan dish. It was really creamy, cheesy, felt quite indulgent and rich.
Yeah.
I really liked that.
Indulgent, rich, creaminess. Yeah, it ticked all the boxes.
So Fazana, how about Fazana's dish?
Fazana's dish
curry.
with the curry, with the peanut butter, the zero waste element.
That was great.
I really like that. She
Used up
incorporated
the
the butternut squash seeds. But then she also had the facts and the information about the nutrition behind the dish too, which is, you know, I think it's also good to know what you're eating and what you're putting into your body.
Yeah.
It's also good.
It was really impressive. She was so knowledgeable. I tell you, who the other dish I loved was Sophia's. She made her own pasta, cavatelli, and a really traditional Greek potato and tomato stew. That was delicious. I could have eaten the whole plate. I really
Absolutely,
liked that.
I really like that. Impressed by the pasta making within the time that she had. She really knocked it out of the park there, I think.
And the crispy breadcrumbs on top for an extra bit of texture, squeeze of lemon.
I mentioned that and then she went for it, so I'm really proud of that. I'm glad that she did that.
I found Bonia's dish very difficult to eat, I have to say.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt like there was a missing element. You mentioned the sauce. There should have been something sweet or spicy or sticky to kind of go and cling on to those other ingredients
To bring everything together.
To bring everything together because it was quite a bite and everything's pooling out and dropping to the plate.
Yeah.
Quite oily.
Yeah.
I think she could have done more with less.
Lots
Cashews
of
and
different
corn.
things going on there, nice and colourful. We said that maybe some more texture could have been good. I think it was just missing that kind of bite, that crunch,
100%.
a bit of bounce maybe. But yeah, I think it was missing that for me.
Yeah, I think that the tortilla itself could have been reduced to kind of to play with the amount that she put on the plate as well, because all you got was tortilla and a little bit of the filling.
Yeah, and she went to the effort of making that delicious like habanero salsa, and there wasn't much on there, not enough on there for me. But I mean, everyone's been so impressive today. They've all thought about lots of different elements for each dish, how to elevate their dishes. I've been so impressed.
Olive.
Oh, Olive.
Let's talk about Olive.
The presentation.
Beautiful presentation.
Yeah.
I think out of everyone, I think she probably had the best presentation.
Yeah, I would agree
Probably up
actually.
there.
And it was delicious. The spinach was packed with flavour.
Oh my goodness.
The plantain, I thought maybe she could have deep fried it or fried it in
100%.
some oil rather than air frying it because it went a little bit chewy. Yeah, I didn't love the texture.
It was dried on the outside, and I think with plantain, you want to taste that sweet, caramelized, crispy, salty outside, and I didn't get that.
Yeah.
But also the tofu as well. I don't think the tofu was cooked at all. I think it was just right from the packet and then dressed with the spices.
Brilliant. Yeah, great spicing though. Really nice spice level. Perfect.
Beautiful flavor.
Like kick of heat. Yeah. Really liked that.
Love that lockdown dish.
Yeah. Well, how are we going to decide? So many great dishes.
So many great dishes, but one has to win.
Yeah.
I think we know who won, right?
I think we're thinking the same thing.
I'm sending you
I think so.
the winner in my head.
Yeah. Should we go let them know?
I think we should.
Let's do it. Okay.
All right. After you. Dun dun dun.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. What a day it's been. Wow. What was better, going first or going second?
I think go first.
Going first? Then you were
I think
relaxed
it's
and
always
chilled?
good. Get out of the way.
Yeah, get it out of the way?
Yeah.
Archie?
Yeah, I reckon maybe go first.
In the second group, were you a bit more nervous going into that? Did you feel like that played into your cooking?
Maybe.
We both thought both rounds were incredible. The food was fantastic.
Yeah, the standard was like amazing.
Yeah.
We've eaten so many delicious dishes today, so thank you for bringing your best dishes forward. We've been very well fed.
Yeah, we have. I'm full.
Yeah,
I'm satisfied
me
and happy.
too. Yeah,
Really
me
am.
too.
Should we get into our runner-ups?
Yeah.
So we have 4 runners-ups. Is that runners-ups? We have 4
Runners up.
runners-ups. Runner-ups. 4 runner-ups. There it is. We have 4. I can't look anyone in the face right now. I feel quite. I'm actually quite nervous to announce this because we really enjoyed ourselves today. I think
We found it really difficult actually to pick our winners and runners up. So
this person's dish had a great story. It was seasoned well. The connection that they have with their sibling, and the other dish was creamy. It was rich. It was indulgent. It had spice. It was just something that I would go back for more. So our first 2 runner-ups are Olive and Archie.
And then we've got 2 more runners-up. So the next runner-up, we were really impressed with the use of ingredients, really making the most of the ingredients that they had. But we thought that this person did really well to max out using that ingredients. And then one of the other dishes that we wanted to award as a runner-up was just like a plate of delicious, like comfy, home-cooked food. It just really felt like a hug on a plate to me, and I wanted to eat it all. So our next runners-up are Fazana and Sophia.
Well, that brings us to our winner.
Yeah.
You take it. You start it off.
Oh,
Or
this
would
was
you like
such
me-
a tough choice. We really deliberated for ages because there's so many great dishes. The winning dish, again, we felt like there was such a great, innovative, imaginative use of ingredients, really making the most of those 10 ingredients. It was just delicious, creamy and comforting and indulgent.
I think it was a dish that I would want to cook at home as well. Something that was using some lovely flavoring, lovely ingredients, playing around with what you had, but making the most of it as well. So without further ado, our winner today is Georgia.
We've got the lovely award for you, Georgia. Here we go, the Good Food Rising Stars 2024
Come up.
award. Yeah, come out.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Do you want to say anything?
On the spot.
Is she mic'd up? Is she mic'd up?
I'm not.
Speaking to my mic.
Thank you very much.
Will this go in your camper van?
Yeah, this will fit actually.
Yeah.
Perfect
This is
size.
for camper van.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
don't want to get it dirty though. It's
Yeah.
just to go up on the wall.
Yeah, it's on the wall.
Cheese board maybe.
Yeah,
Nice.
perfect.
Well done.
Thank you all so much. It really was like such a tough decision.
And to everyone else, thank you so much for participating in this. This was a lot of fun, and it was great to try some of your food and playing around with the ingredients you have. But yeah, well done to everyone else who participated today. So thank you. You're a winner.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Yeah, we really enjoyed your dish, and
Good.
we think you deserve to win.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did we like about the dish?
So many things.
It was something that I would want to cook myself at home, and it was approachable.
I love the use of onions. I feel
Yes.
so clever. You only had to 10 ingredients, so you thought I'm going to max out what I do with these ingredients.
Yeah.
3 ways with onions to add the texture and different flavors. I thought that was so clever. I loved that element.
Such a simple addition to a dish of finding 3 different ways of incorporating it into the dish, I think was really clever and playful.
You lose it in the dish. You can't really identify it's got the onions in it. But the way you cooked it, you pickled it and then you fried it with the crispy onions on top. It was just genius. I love that.
So what's next for you? What are your hopes and dreams? Where are you going off to?
Yeah,
What's
good question.
on the cards?
I mean, honestly, I came today with like no expectations, just wanted to have a good time and get some feedback on a recipe that I created. So, I mean, really, I'd love to get more into the food media space, and hopefully with this opportunity that can help me on the next steps.
You just walk around
Yeah.
with this wherever you go. Walk into the
Right,
supermarket,
maybe.
your next meeting.
Yeah.
Sorry, let me just put this here.
Well, yeah, I can see big things for you, and it was so lovely to meet you today and see, you know, your passion for food. And obviously, we've got that connection now, and we can help you in the industry to go further with your recipes and recipe writing. So,
Yeah. Thank you guys so much. It's been a really brilliant day.
thank you.
Well done.
It's been great.
Nice. Thanks for watching. This was a lot of fun. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video with a friend.